sight is frightful. Oh, it's so delightful. And we haven't got a place to go. Oh, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Ouch.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? How y'all doing today? I'm sure that most of you are probably like, you know what? It is freezing outside. I'm not going anywhere, or I can't go anywhere. Because that's the way that it's happening right now here in Texas, believe it or not. If you haven't seen the news, but we are experiencing temperatures that is colder than Pennsylvania right now. And I'm telling you, this is not the place to live when you have ice or snow or anything that represents cold. Around here, it's scary. These guys, they think that they can just rush right up on you and hit their brakes and they're gonna stop, and I'm telling you. So anyhow, stay safe out there. Today is announcing the new hopper tool, okay? The hopper tool is, if you've seen our maintenance toolkit, this is the big brother to the hopper tool in the kit, okay? That particular tool is smaller due to the fact that it has to fit in the horizontal chamber in order to scratch and clean everything out. And it's not as long in order to reach way down inside the freestands or in the insert models. You know how it is. The door's smaller on top of the stove. So, you know, just loading the stove, you know, is a little bit more difficult than the big door here on the freestanding, right? So this is the Papa Hopper stick. This tool is designed in order to move the pellets around, reach down in. If you have a lot of sawdust, if you're not sifting, what happens is all the sawdust ends up building up down at the shaft, and then your auger starts dumping in pure sawdust into your burn pot, and it consumes obviously faster than the condensed pellet, so a lot of people are having shutdowns. And this is what we call the burn pot scraper. The burn pot scraper is designed that if you have a garbage pellet that produces clinkers like so, and you have to clean your burn pot once or twice a day in order to keep your stove working, first off, I suggest get rid of the cheap pellets, okay? And get something that's going to burn hotter, more efficient, and it's not gonna build up creosote and create a potential fire hazard from too much creosote built up in your stove and chimney. And you're gonna eliminate this right here. You that have been following just recently, you all know about all the hopper discussions, pellet discussions in the hopper that we've been talking about. And these can be very, 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 very hard clinkers. That's where this comes in. This allows you to get inside of the stove. Well, let me just go ahead and turn around right here. Now this here, ladies and gentlemen, is something that you're gonna want to understand. I burn my stove on high, so if you're gonna end up stirring the pot, turn your stove down so you don't have this rocket jet of a flame here, because this, I don't know, let's see what happens, shall we? Okay, I suggest that you do not open it very far. That way you still allow the combustion fan to draw the gases up in and over the firebox wall, okay, instead of putting the gases into your home. So you take your burn pot scraper, get in there. I'm gonna open just for the video. break up all those clinkers, all right? That way, you don't have to shut your stove down in order to clean your burn pot to avoid shutdowns. So, you know, just spending that 10 seconds doing that, 30 seconds, whatever. That way there, your stove keeps running, the heat just keeps pumping into your home, and if it's, you know, 20 below New Yorkers, then you don't have to worry about putting it into shutdown mode. And if you've seen what happens when you shut your stove down, okay, Austroflamm mystery, watch that video. Hilarious. These people were great people to deal with. But I'm telling you that you do not want to hit the off button and then believe that you can then immediately turn it back on before the shutdown mode finishes. Because what's going to happen is it's going to create a surge. The least amount of damage is going to be blowing a fuse, okay? And I'm going to throw this in there. We got 5-pack of fuses right now. It is very important that you have multiple fuses because there's a lot of surging going on with heavy ice pulling on wires, tree limbs falling, taking out wires, throws high voltage into your home, blowing your fuse. I'm also going to let you know, please be sure that you have a surge protector between your stove plug-in and the wall outlet. We have them in stock. You got one light to take a look at. Simple, easy peasy. Back to the mama tool. She grabs this tool and this end is out there. All right, Papa, it's time for you to go and buy some flowers and bring home something special. This one here gets all kinds of use every single day during the winter months. You know, you can think about, you know, back scratcher, scratching the dog. You know, it's a multi-tool. I'm just for kicks and giggles. Put a very mean face right here, and then a not so mean face right here for the mama stick. We shall see. Right now, all it comes with is a hanging hole. Okay. Oh, and I also wanted to show you, this is just a representation that this is made out of 16 gauge plating. You can see I cut out several of them. You've got the shorter ones, which is the maintenance tool, okay? And then you've got the hopper tool. And these are gonna last you a lifetime. The biggest thing that you really wanna understand that this is gonna help you with, so you can justify spending the money, even though I'm going to tell you we got a special offer going on with them right now, is the clinkers and obviously the sawdust, because both of those things is what is so frustrating to you out there that know what I'm talking about, to where you have to put extra time and thought and inconvenience into keeping your heat source running. I am going to help you convince Mama, unless Papa, you don't want Mama to have the tool. These are going to sell for $19.95, okay? And if you mention, this is for you loyal followers out there, if you mention that you saw the hopper tool in the video, I will sell it to you for $14.95. That's right, $5. $5 make you holler. $14.95, and that doesn't include shipping, unfortunately, because we don't know where you're at. We send parts and so forth to Canada, and you get it, right? So if you would like a Mama Attitude stick, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com. That way you are going to get the opportunity to say, hey Scott, hey Julie, I want that discount. And then we'll go ahead and we'll sell it to you for the discounted price. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it up. The reasoning is steel prices are doing this right now. So any parts, anything that you need in the way of components, gaskets, sealants, etc., AustroflammParts.com or RIKAParts.com. You guys stay safe out there. Go ahead, Mama. Order an attitude stick. Peace.